Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm excited because we're going to be unboxing my paid for Ipsy subscription box. You guys want to see what I got in here. Is this still worth to keep getting? Well, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys know, I have been receiving Ipsy and PR since October of 2020. And while I do appreciate being on the PR list, I'm still always going to be very honest. And I just feel as of lately, for some reason, the subscription boxes have definitely gone downhill. I feel like ever since BoxyCharm and Ipsy combined under one umbrella company, I just feel like, I don't know, that they're not that great. Now, if you guys don't know, I actually canceled my BoxyCharm subscription, and the only reason why I kept my Ipsy subscription is because I want to get the Ipsy X. Now, you guys were so kind enough to let me know that all I have to do is get like the $13 back, and I can still get the Ipsy X. So I think that's something I'm going to do, depending on how this box is today. Now, if you guys don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service where if you pay for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it does retail for $27 a month. Now, it went up in price again. So it does retail for $27.99, and you get to pick 3 customizations out of the 5 items that are available to you. And these customizations vary because sometimes they give you like a list of products, but they're brands that you've never ever heard of. There's brands that you have heard of, or you see one person gets a list of customizations and someone else gets a complete opposite. So it's just really weird how they work. I don't understand the process. I don't even try to understand the process, but no matter what, I will always be honest with you guys. And I don't really remember what I picked. I know I picked out a Core's cleaner because I was told this is a very, very good cleanser and I wanted to try it and it was available, so I picked it out. But I don't really know what else is in here. Now, I do know that Ipsy said that they're going to start putting more name brands in here. Boxy said the same thing. I will say though, I did enjoy my Boxy PR boxes this month. I actually thought they were pretty good. So hopefully Ipsy's gonna start off 22 on a good note. We shall find out. Let's see what we got. All right, so this is this month's little Santa sack. I will say the Santa sack is actually super cute. Like, I really do like it. Although sometimes I wonder if they're gonna put coal in here. No, I'm just kidding. But I really like it because it's like little ho 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 bitches. But the only thing it sucks is I just wish that since you are paying $27.99 for this, I wish I would actually go back to giving you a makeup bag. Do you guys remember when it was like Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate? Each tier had their own set of makeup bag and they would all look very similar. But for some reason, once they got rid of the Ultimate, they got rid of the makeup bags for the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag still gets a makeup bag, but we don't get one for spending more money. I don't know why. That does not make sense to me. I also find that the Glam Bag tends to have better products in there, more name brands are in there, but I think it's because they are samples that they're just like, take these free samples, and Ipsy charges us for the free samples. That's what I think. So I will say this is definitely a cute bag. And the first thing we see in here is the Kimchi. This is the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. Now, I actually received this in PR. And I did pick this out for myself because I think this is a wonderful, wonderful setting spray. If you guys don't know, this is a really, really great brand to help control the oil. This brand is actually founded by Kimchi. She is a beautiful drag queen and she creates some of the best matte products that are out there. I do love my Kimchi Puff Puff Pass setting powder. It does a wonderful, wonderful job at controlling the oil, and so does the setting spray. So I already have one. I got a backup for my PR, and now I have another backup, and I'm going to be keeping this for myself because I trust me when I say these are amazing, amazing setting sprays. So I knew I picked that out for myself, so I'm actually really excited. Next, we do have the Core's. This is the Foaming Cream Cleanser. This is the Greek yogurt one. Now, I heard wonderful, wonderful things about this cleanser. It says that the one and only indulgent silk-free cream to foam cleanser formulated with the ancient skin smoothing superfood Greek yogurt, one step that gently and effectively removes impurities and makeup without irritating, safe for most sensitive skin. So I heard good things about this, so I definitely want to try this out. So this is something that I picked out for myself as well. So I really hope this is a good product. I hope I got the right one because I remember there being like other ones that are like this. I swear this is the one that I was told about. Well, either way, we're going to try this out. I'm excited. I wonder if it actually smells like yogurt. It smells like a baby powder. Fun fact though, this is TMI, but you know, we're friends here. We're friends here. My gynecologist said I should consume more yogurt. And I looked at her and I said, now how am I going to do that? And she's like, well, what do you mean? I said, your girl is highly lactose intolerant. How am I going to consume yogurt? Dairy. I think there are dairy-free yogurts, but I think yogurt is actually just gross. I can't stand the taste of yogurt. I don't know why. I just never found a yogurt that I have been obsessed with. I think I'm kind of traumatized as a kid because I used to be obsessed with trying to get those Trix yogurts that came in like that little squeeb tube that looks like I'm just like jerking off the air. But it's like that Twix, you know, it's like the pink and yellow, like the strawberry banana like yogurt. And I remember having that as a child. I remember being super sick, and it's a memory that I won't forget. It tasted like throw up, and I won't forget that. So, not been a fan of yogurt ever since. All right, so next we have something from DU. This is D-Tube. This is a cruelty-free, non-toxic lip gloss. Oh, I actually got this in my PR as well. And I believe I put this in my No Waste Wednesday because I said if I got one on my own, I would keep it. This actually still really is so pretty. Since I already put that one in my No Waste Wednesday, I'll swatch this one. Ooh, wow, that is actually super pretty. Doesn't have a smell to it, and I don't know how well. It looks like a clear gloss, but it definitely has some pink and gold reflex to it. Very, very beautiful. That's actually really nice. Okay, well, we're gonna have to keep this one for myself. Next, we have something from KOA Life. I'm assuming this is KOA Life because this is how we spell KOA, not like that, but KOA. This is Mist Me Rejuvenating Toner. So improves the appearance of skin tone, reduces visibility of aging, nourishes and calms the skin, it tones, firms, and strengthens. And it's a toner that's a mist? What? I've never heard of a toner that's a mist. Shake well before use, close your eyes, and apply 1 to 3 spritz on the face and neck, 11 to 12 inches away from your skin. Repeat daily as needed. But I thought toners are to take off your makeup. I am so confused. This is not supposed to take off your makeup. Well, I'm not going to spread it on my face, but let's do. It's not very overwhelming in the scent. Actually smells kind of like nice and refreshing. But I'm kind of confused on what it is because it says it's a toner, and I'm used to using toners to take off any excess makeup that I have on my face. First, I use a cleansing balm, and then I go with a cleanser, and then I use a toner to make sure I remove all the impurities. Then I either exfoliate or I just use a serum, depending, because I don't exfoliate every single night. And then I use a moisturizer, then I use eye cream, and then sometimes I do a facial oil. So it's kind of confusing on what this is. 'Tis confusion. I'm confused. All right, last but not least, we got something from Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt. This is a freestyle highlighter. I got the shade Hustle, baby. Oh my God, they're just adding to my Fenty Beauty collection. So here we have the Fenty Beauty right here. And on the inside, this is how it looks. Definitely seems like it might be a little bit too deep for my complexion, but let's swatch this. Oh yeah, definitely too deep for me as a highlighter. But I think that as like an eyeshadow, this could be like really, really pretty. Like, you guys can't even see it. Like, it's right here. Here, let me put my hand. Maybe that might be better. It's right there. It could be really beautiful, like golden eyeshadow, but I feel like it's a little bit too deep for my skin complexion. All right, guys, so that's everything I got in my bag. So what are my thoughts? First off, I do appreciate the fact that we got 3 makeup items in here, and then we got 2 skincare items in here. I love that balance. You guys know how much I love the balance when it's a 3:2 ratio. I'm definitely excited because there are products in here that I definitely will be using. Actually, I'll probably be using all of that, maybe except for this because I'm a little confused on that. But 4 out of the 5 items, I'm actually really excited about to try out to see how much I like them. Even though some may not work for me necessarily, like the highlight, it could be really good eyeshadow. I definitely think this is a pretty good bag. I think we're starting off 2022 with a hit. Hopefully this means good things are coming next month. I do know that Ipsy is curating the Ipsy X with Addison Rae, which I'm not surprised about because they are co-owners with her on Item Beauty. I just got something in the mail from them. Let me open that for you guys. Let me open it for you. So I just got this PR box in the mail from Item Beauty. Now, no, Item Beauty is not giving me PR. This is actually from Ipsy. Since Ipsy is a co-owner with Addison Rae, they actually gifted this to me in PR. So it's not like Item Beauty themselves are doing it. It's actually from Ipsy, but I do know that next month's box is actually correlated with her, which makes sense because like I said, they do work together on Item Beauty. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got in here. Ooh, Addison Rae, herself. Okay, so what did we get? So we got a Shake It. This is a balancing and tone facial mist. What is with the tone? And then we got a Screen Break. This is blue light and anti-pollutant face mist. We got two different face mists. So the blue light says that throughout the day, put down the phone, close eyes, and spray evenly 6 inches away from the face. Repeat to reactivate and refresh as needed. So I guess we get your sprays for blue light. This is how the product looks. Let's see how it smells. Ooh, that has like a very minty, it's like a minty lavender smell to it. It smells like I'm at the spa. No, it smells like tea tree. It smells like tea tree. That's exactly what this smells like. It definitely has a very soft mist to it, but I don't know what it's supposed to do against blue light. I guess it's supposed to help, but here we have something from Item Beauty there. And then we have the Balance and Tone Face Mist. So it says, shake it till you make it. This refreshing by face mist with a purifying charcoal activated blend works like liquid blotting powder to control excessive shine and help balance and tone. Exfoliating salicylic acid helps skin turnover for fresher, smoother looking skin. Soothing tiger grass extract swoops in to keep skin calm and under control. Oh, well, we might like that if it's, for shine control. Oh, that's not how I expected it to look. Wow, okay. Let's see how this one. Oh my God, that smells divine. I have really overdone it, but that smells heavenly. That smells so soft and it smells so soft and so clean, and I don't know how to describe the smell other than it smells really, really soft. And this is supposed to help control excessive shine. I'm all for it. I just been using the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the airless brush. This is the airless flawless setting spray. Love that setting spray. So if this does a great job at controlling the oil, I'm definitely gonna be all for it. So that's actually pretty nice. The blue light one is very interesting. Screen Break is clinically proven to effectively protect skin cells from blue light with the help of ashwagandha extract, while dandelion extract protects from daily pollutants. Niacinamide and glycerin keep skin hydrated, creating a soft, even skin tone. Wow, that's actually good ingredients too. So that's exciting. I just want to thank Ipsy and Item Beauty for gifting those to me in PR. That really means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much. I'm just so glad I got to show that to you guys in this video because I wasn't sure what to do with it because I was going to use it for like a small PR unboxing, but I only have one. So there's no point. But that's actually cool they gifted this to me. I really do appreciate that, guys. And definitely would say this is a pretty good box this month. I'm excited. I know that next month Addison Rae is curating the Glam X, so I'm pretty sure we're going to see a lot of Item Beauties in there as well. But yeah, I think Ipsy's starting off 2022 on a strong note. Let's hope they keep it. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and a huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. 3 out of the 5 customizations that are available to you. You get to pick 3 out of the 5 items available. You get to do. So I definitely was okay. All right, guys. So what are my thoughts on this bag? Well, I love the fact that I got 3. I would say definitely not a bad. Exfoliating salicylic. Because this one says slow your scroll and protect your skin from screen emitted blue light. Screen